What's good, y'all? It's your boy Michael Shorts. Before I start this video, I just wanted to wish you all a happy 4th of July, and I wanted to thank y'all for supporting my channel for the past few months. And if you haven't watched this video yet, I advise you do. Now without further ado, let's get into the video.
Sparehead, what's up? Oh, and viewers, this is not a real gun, it's just a prop.
Dad, what did you just do?
What do you think, idiot? I busted your whole door off of its hinges.
I can see that, but why?
Oh, it's because the 4th of July is coming soon and I wanted to let you know.
Okay, cool. Well, can I join y'all in doing the fireworks?
No!
Wait, why not?
Because you're still grounded for feeding Madison laxatives and for stealing Keisha's car a few days ago.
I don't care. Let me do the fireworks with y'all.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yes, 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 yes.
What a insufferable piece of trash. I hope he learns his lesson. I might as well go buy those fireworks from Walmart.
Meanwhile...
Well, at least I respawned back in my room after getting bit by those venom spiders back in jail. Well, I'm mad as well. OMG, Michael, what happened?
Oh, you know what happened? I'll tell you. Me and my dad got into an argument because he wouldn't let me do any fireworks for the 4th of July. So he beated the crap out of me and ejected me out of my window, and I crash landed into your house.
Wow, just wow. I can't believe your dad would once again put you through brutal pain.
I know, right? I need to get revenge on him for beating me up and for not letting me join him and the rest of my family for the 4th of July. Let's think.
Five minutes later.
Holy crap, that's it. My dad goes out to get fireworks right around Taiji's time, so when he gets back I can take the fireworks and incinerate them, ha 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 ha.
Alright, see you later, Michael.
A few moments later.
Hey ma'am, I would like to buy these fireworks for the 4th of July.
Okay, that will be $90.
Alright, she's dead, now let's go.
Holy crap, it's the cops. Let's get out of here.
Alright, now all I have to do is just wait until he's not looking, and then it's go time.
Man, I am so tired right now, so I'm just going to take a quick nap.
Alright, let's do this. And of course, he just left these fireworks laying out in plain sight. Let's do this. Well, here we don't mind if I...
Man, that was a good nap.
Hey Dad, there a new Barbie toy house that I want to have. Can you order aught for me?
Sure, I can buy it since you're my favorite child, but I won't be able to order it because my laptop is still broken for Michael and the Chromebook challenge incident, so let's get in the car and go to Walmart.
Sure, let's get in the car. Daddy, I seriously can't thank you enough for going to buy me that Barbie toy. You're the best daddy in the world.
Don't mention it, Madison, but hey, was it just me or was the fireworks I brought not in the living room? Oh well, probably just an illusion. Wait, why does that boy by the incinerator look so familiar? Wait a minute, please don't tell me it's...
Man, I'm so glad I incinerated the fireworks. That's what my dad gets for not getting me celebrate the 4th of July with that. Well, time to go to David Buster's to celebrate.
Don't even try lying, we heard everything, and I didn't even see my fireworks in the living room. This video is literally on a time crunch, and we just need you to admit it, so come on.
Okay, I was mad that you wouldn't let celebrate the 4th of July with you and for beating me up, so I incinerated the firework while you were taking a nap. I'm so sorry for this, guys. Please don't ground me or punish me for this, I beg you.
Wow, I'm not even surprised. Of course, it was you. I should have known that. Why I didn't see my fireworks, Michael. The reason why I didn't let you celebrate the 4th of July was because you were still grounded for feeding Madison laxatives and for stealing Keisha's car. But you know what? That's it. You're grounded for additional 67 decade eternities. Oh, and I just so happen to have extra fireworks that I forgot to use last year since we were late on schedule. And I say old rocket on the way here, so I'm going to tie you to it and then send you to space. Let me just get it real quick.
A few moments later.
Alright, there you go.
Come on, Dad, please don't do this. Besides, you have extra fireworks, so can't you just cut me some slack for once?
I don't care now. Shut your stupid mouth or I will beat you to death. Man, that was so funny, and it serves him right for destroying the fireworks now, and he's Madison. Let's go to Walmart and get you that Barbie toy. Alright family, let's get this 4th of July started.